Hey guys, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a project share and a little tiny tutorial. This die, I really like this die because of its simplicity. I used Echo Park's Easter paper by Lori Whitlock, which I think came out like last year or something. It's not this year's paper, I don't think. And I used stickers to decorate it. This die is from AliExpress, and I used the little crown piece to decorate the top. The die looks like this. It comes with these pieces. It comes with a love word and this other word and a crown piece. And then this is the die that I used. You have to cut this piece out twice. And it is so easy to put together, guys. This is how you do it. You literally put them together like this, so that they're facing, this piece is facing that way, and this piece is facing that way. And then you glue the bottom of this to that. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put glue on the bottom. Now you can see I didn't score anything. This is just how I like to do it. I like to do it after it's put together. So there's like perforated marks right here. You're going to line everything up, but not overlapping those perforated marks. And then while the glue is drying, this is when I like to fold and score everything. Super easy. It's just a little delicate up here by the handle. And now you have the die, and how this goes together is you put these up like this on this side. So you have the crowns together like this, you see? And then you're going to kind of smash it down like that. And then you're going to hook this here. Do you see how I did that? I'll show you again. While you're smashing this down with this hand, you're hooking this on this piece. You're hooking it on this piece right here. So you're smashing and hooking simultaneously. Look at how easy that was. And then you can choose to do the decorative crown piece right here. This box is so easy, and I think this might be by far one of my most favorite boxes to put together. Look at how cute it is. And you guys, I'm not on Elena's design team or anything. I just truly love this box. I'm getting ready for Easter, and I love this paper from Echo Park, and I love this box. And I just wanted to share how easy it was to put together. And if you guys haven't seen my video where I showed you guys how to put this together and my honest review of it, you guys need to check this out, because this box is so much more difficult to put this together than this box. So if you're going to buy a box die, I would get this box die. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I also have a birthday challenge giveaway video that's out, so don't forget to check that out and participate if you'd like to. It ends April 12th, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.